All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Here we are, day 10 of our May daily math. And number 1 and 2 are kind of the combo problem here. We have some little mental math. We are going to start with the number 49, and we're going to add 99 to it. So again, 99 is really close to, I know last time I joked, 98. No, it's really close to 100. So if you take 49 and 100, you have 149, right? I mean, just put a 1 front, pretty much. So 149, but 99 is 1 away from 100, right? It's just short of 100. So we still have to take that 1 away. So instead of 149 right now, it should be 148. Okay? So there's our mental math part. We added 100. Now the next step says to subtract 48. Again, subtract 48. So that's going to leave us at 100, okay? And then the last step, I was going to put a 2 there as well. Our last step said to add 300. So that equals, so 100 plus 300 equals 400, okay? So next, we have Rainbow sings and sings and sings. She started singing at 9:45 a.m. She sang for 30 minutes. At what time did she finish singing? So let's get to, there's 9. She started at 9:45, so there's 9:45, okay? And she sang for 30 minutes, so let's count 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so what time is that? That's right. 10:15. Very good. AM, and we know it's AM because they said 9:45 AM, so now it's going to be 10:15 AM. So number 4, this one's kind of a tricky one here. It says a large paper clip weighs about 1 gram. Miranda put 100 large paper clips in a bag. Okay, so 100 large paper clips. Each one weighs about 1 gram, so we should be at about 100 grams, right? Each one is 1 gram. She says the bag now weighs 1 kilogram. Is she correct? Well, if we get no other information whatsoever, I would say that probably not. Probably not going to be correct because 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. Now think about 100 large paper clips. Well, 100 large paper clips would be about 100 grams. Okay, so if you take away that 100 grams, that still leaves 900 grams. Okay, and I don't think the paper bag or the bag is going to weigh 900 grams. Not as much as 100 large paper clips. Or 10 times as much, excuse me. So I'm going to say probably not, but you never know. It doesn't say if there's already something in there. We're just kind of guessing that it's not in there. So as of right now, though, I would say no. Okay? Nope. All right, number 5. Make an estimate. A newborn foal weighs about 5 grams, 50 grams, or 50 kilograms. Well, again, 5 grams is about this much, maybe one of these, right? So 50 grams would maybe be like all of these, and like, like two pencils, 3 pencils. Okay, so that's not going to weigh the same as a brand new baby horse, right? So my estimate, the best estimate I could come up with on that, and hopefully you did too, 50 kilograms. All right, boys and girls, there we go. That was day 10 of your May Daily Math. See you next time.